What is up, you guys? Welcome back. I go by Risha Marie, and in today's video, we're doing another natural hair video, of course. As you can see, I'm blowing out my hair first. I'm going to be doing a twist out today, and I normally don't do twist outs on blown out hair. I normally just do it on wet hair like normal, but I needed to blow out my hair for some other reason, and twist outs were, what made sense to me. So as you can see, I am blow drying it with the Revlon, what is it? The paddle brush blow dryer by Revlon. And I really like this blow dryer. I've been using it for a long time. I have a regular blow dryer too, but this one, really serves its purpose. As you can see, I'm doing really slow, deliberate passes. Even though I have this sped up, like you can tell like how slowly I'm moving the blow dryer through. And this is just so I can get it as straight as possible in the quickest amount of time. And also I did it on damp hair because, damp hair will blow out quicker than soaking wet hair, and you'll have to use less heat. So that always works for me. And whenever I blow dry, I try to get it as straight as possible. I don't care what I'm doing. If I'm finna straighten my hair, do a braid out, whatever the case may be, if I'm finna blow dry, I'm trying to get it as straight as I possibly can. And yeah, y'all, that's what I did. This blow dryer really does the job when you blow drying on damp hair. Now if it's soaking wet, yeah, you're gonna have some time, but on damp hair, it does this thing. So I'm just brushing it out, and then I'm gonna let you guys see how it looks from the back. You see my hair is really full, even down to the tips, but them tips looking a little raggedy. Let's just keep it a buck. I didn't comb it out that great from the bottom because I couldn't get a good comb out, but my hair is a little bit past bra strap length. So yeah, really full from roots to tips, which we stand some healthy hair. But y'all, we gonna have to go ahead and trim them ends. So let's get into that. Now, I am not a professional hairstylist. I just basically pick up different stuff that I've learned from watching a professional or watching other people in general, and I just try to see whatever works best for me. Now, I know you can't really see me clipping my actual hair in this video because I was like trying to clip it in one pile so it wouldn't get all over the floor. But if you want to see a little bit more detail of how I trim my ends for the first time, I do have this video up on my channel, so you can go find that. It should be under natural hair tutorials, or even just if you scroll down in my videos, it's not too far down because I recently did that. Well, I haven't put up a lot of videos since I did that, shall I say. But this is how it looks all trimmed. Now, again, don't be too much on me, okay? Again, I'm not a professional, but to me that looked pretty good, It is giving even, it's giving fullness. Now, I can see a little bit, the white shirt at the bottom, but I don't think those are damaged ends. Like, I don't believe that everything you see is like damaged, you know what I'm saying? I feel like my hair looks really healthy here, and I can comb through it, and that was a quick before and after. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the twist out. So I'm combing my hair to one side, and if you guys didn't get it, I only blew out my hair so I can trim it. I don't trim my hair on curly hair, even though that is how I wear my hair predominantly, just because I don't have a lot of knowledge when it comes to that. I want the damaged ends to be gone. I'm not necessarily cutting for a shape. So that's why I don't cut it curly. I'm not like really, I wouldn't say trained. I'll just say I'm not as knowledgeable when it comes to doing curly cuts. So I prefer to do it on straight hair. So I'm just using a little mousse, a little foam, whatever wrapping lotion. I'm using the Maui one like you just saw. Add a couple pumps, put it on my hair. Avoid the roots because the roots are already dry. So, and they're stretched, and, that'll just avoid us from using heat later. So yeah, add a couple pumps, make sure your ends are curly. Let the hair revert a little bit before you start twisting it down. And I do a flat twist on my head, and then do a 2-strand twist once we're off my head. That's how I just do my twist outs. I get the best results like that for me. I get the most definition and the most longevity doing it that way. So yeah, that's what works.
If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do, because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love.
And then I just let my hair dry overnight and then take it down the next day, putting a little oil on my hair just so we can slide through these twists real smoothly and not create too much frizz. But again, I didn't need to let it dry overnight. Really, I could have sat under the dryer for like 30 minutes and it would have been dry. Not even that long, because we didn't do it on soaking wet hair. We did it on already dried hair and we just added a little foam. But as you can see, the definition is already there. It's really nice and fluffy, and it's already kind of stretched like in a long state than what it would have been if I did it on soaking wet hair. This is a good way for people that don't have the time to really let it dry like that. Like I said, if you're finna trim your ends, or if you had like a silk press and your hair is getting kind of poofy and stuff and you want to do something else but you're not ready to really wash your hair, you could just add a little foam to it and do that. Or even a perm rod set, flexi rod set. It's a bunch of different ways you can go with a blowout or like old hair that, you know, to transition into your natural hair and it'll be popping. I just picked it out a little bit. I could have picked it out some more, but I was kind of in a rush, not trying to do too much. Did my little Nike swoops that I always do on the side, do about 3, and then you know, just fluff the hair to my desired. Of course I did like 4 or 5 hair because it'd be so much bigger. But yeah, that is how it is looking. The definition is there. Fullness. I should have picked out the back better than that, honey. Lazy girl. Lazy girl. I should have picked out the back definitely a little bit better than that. But yeah, you get the point. You get the vibes. It's crazy because I looked at the back in a mirror and I still didn't pick it out better. I'm seeing a whole part right there. I was tripping. But yeah, that's how the end results are. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you got something from it. Make sure you check out my other videos while you are already on my channel. Leave a like, leave a comment down in the comment section to let me know what type of videos you would like to see from me, and I will try my best to get something out or do something. I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Peace.